One wrong move and she will be dead.
Get in the closet right now. Get in the closet. I'm not fucking playing. Get in the closet right now.
An elderly couple was home one morning when someone rang their bell, and opening the door without checking who was behind the door was their biggest mistake.
Hurry up.
They order the couple to get in the closet till they leave, but the old man, who just had a hip surgery, tells them about his surgery. But the ruthless robbers force the old man to walk slowly to the closet. The old man, even in unimaginable pain, walks to the closet because he wanted him and his wife to be safe. The robbers leave as soon as they find their money vault and some other valuables.